Top Dentist.
This breakthrough bedtime ritual restores damaged teeth and gums. Do this for 7 seconds tonight.
One tiny daily ritual anyone can perform. That completely changes the way you smile. This not only results in fast, healthy, and sparkling white teeth. It also dramatically eliminates bad breath and cures bleeding gums.
According to the designer of this unique product, this is all made possible through nutritious substances that have long been used in traditional dental medicine.
It is loaded with vitamins, minerals, and more. All these would land into the root cause of the problem. Hence, you can undoubtedly observe effective results out of it. The formula is easy to take each day, and it only uses natural ingredients to get the desired effect.
This is unlike anything you've ever tried or experienced in your life before. This oral probiotic is a soft mineral that melts in your mouth and helps to naturally heal cavities, decay, abscess, enamel erosion, bad breath.
3.5 billions of probiotics, along with 3 unique ingredients that are clinically proven to support the health of your teeth and gums. Made in the USA, natural formula, no stimulants, easy to use, gluten-free, non-habit forming, quality tested, free shipping, no GMO.
Transform your life. Click the link below this video to learn more about this breakthrough bedtime ritual.